Hello children, I am your Max ma'am. Today we are going to see a new lesson. In volume 2 kana numbers up to 999. Everyone take your volume 2 studio kana. Take pencil along with you. So you will be having volume 2 Max studio. Okay. So you have to take that book. Take pencil along with you. We can move to the activity. See here, Kana, take your book, page number 1 in volume 2. Okay. See numbers up to 999. Okay. We are going to learn the numbers, 3-digit numbers up to 999. Okay. We are going to see the PEP activity 7.1. See, look at the beads. Count in hundreds, tens and ones and write the number it forms. Okay. So what they are asking to do? See, they have given the beads. Okay. So already we have learned ones beads, tens beads and the hundreds beads. Isn't it? So we want to write ones, tens, hundred. Okay. See here the beads. Okay. So these beads are lies separately. Okay, so this we call it as a ones. So how many ones are there? Can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here you want to write 5. Okay, and this we call it a tens. 1 tens. So what is meant by tens? Kana? A string of 10 beads. Isn't it? We have already learned about these beads. So a string of 10 beads we call it as a 1 tens. So this one 1 tens and this one another tens. So how many tens are there? Yes, very good. 2 tens. Super Kana. So here you want to write 2 tens. In tens place, how many tens are there? 1, 2. So here you want to write 2 in tens place. So 100 means already we have learned. What is that? So each string will be having 10 beats. So 10 strings of 10 beats we call it as a 100. Okay. So this we call it as a 100. So how many hundred we have? Yes, very good. 100. So here you want to write 100. Okay. See here, Kana. You have to write from the ones place only. So how many ones are there? So these beats are okay lies separately. Okay. So how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in ones place you want to write 5. Okay, and this one tens. So a string of 10 beats we call it as a 1 tens. See, count whether 10 beats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a string of 10 beats we call it as a 1 tens. So here how many tens we have? 2 tens. Yes. So in tens place you want write 2. Okay. Now this one 100. So 10 strings of 10 beats. Okay. 10 strings of 10 beats we call it as a 100. In hundreds place you want to write 1. Okay. So now what is the number formed, Kana? Yes. Super. Very good. 125. Okay. What is the number formed here? 125. Now see here, Kana. Next we are going to see the activity 7.2. See here, count in hundreds for each number. Okay, count in hundreds for each number and write the number that it forms and its number name. So what they are asking us to do? So how many hundreds? See, they have given beaks, Kana. Okay. So how many hundreds, how many ones and how many tens are there? You want to count and you want to write. Okay. So we can see. See the first one. So we call these beaks as, yes, 100. Isn't it? So 10 strings of 10 beats. Okay. So each string will be having 10 beats. Like that 10 strings we will be having. So we call it as a 100. Now how many hundred we have, Kana? Yes, 300. Okay. So what is the number formed? So you have to write 300. Okay, so this one 100, this one 200, and this one 300. So you have to write number form. You want to write 300, and you have to write the number in words. See, like this you want to write in words. So 300, THREE, 3. Okay, 100, HUNDRED, 100, 300. Okay, shall we see the next one? See here. So this one we call it as 100. So how many hundreds are there, Kana? Yes, super, very good. 400. See, this one 100, this one another 100, 200, and this one another 100, 300, and this one another 100, 400. So how many hundred we have here? 400. So the number formed is 400. So you want to write in words. So in words you want to write 400. Okay, Kana? Like that, the remaining two you want to finish it, Kana. Okay? Sit along with your parents and complete this. See, remaining two you want to complete, Kana. Okay? Take your companion book, Kana, volume 2. So you will be having volume 2 companion. So take page number 1 and see 7A is the home fund for you. Okay. Write the number names for the given numbers. So see here, see the first one 501. So you have to write the number names. Okay. You have to write in words. Okay. So 501. Like that you want to write in words. So just now we have seen, no, in studio we have written 400 in words we have written. So like that number names you want to write, Kanna. Okay. So you have to complete this home fund. Okay. Complete this home fund and upload in the Kensi lab, Kanna. See here. So they have given the number, Kanna, 3-digit number. Okay. 375. So 5 is in ones place. So above the numbers you want to write ones, tens and 100. Okay. So what is mean by place, place value and face value? Already we have learned in the volume 1 itself. Okay. So already we have learned what is the face value and what is the place value and what is the place of that number. So again we can recall it. Okay. See, the position of the number tells us the place. Okay. Now see what is the number 5 is in which place, Kanna? Yes, very good. Ones place. Okay. So the number is in which place? Ones place. So if they are asking place means in which place the number present. So ones place. That only we call it as a place. Suppose place value. Okay. See in this example 5 is in the ones place. Now the face value is the digit in any given place. So in this example the face value of the tens place is 7. So face value means nothing but the value itself. Okay. Face value of 7 means 7 only. Okay. Just we are writing the value itself. Value of that number. That's all. Okay. Face value means 7. Now, suppose see here the place value is the value of the digit in the number based on its place. Okay. So place value means the number is in which place as well as you want to write the value of that number. Both you want to write, Kanna. Okay. Place means just the number is in which place. That alone you can write. Suppose place value means both place and the value of that number. See here. The place value of the number 3 means, see, 300. Okay, so the number 3 is 100 place. Okay, so 300 you want to write. Okay, so you want to write the place and also you want to write the value of that number. So 300. Okay, Kanna. Now see, we are going to do the activity 7.3. Identify the face value, place and place value of the numbers colored in blue. So they have colored the numbers. Okay. See the first one example they have given, Kanna. 342. Okay. So they have colored with green color here. In your book, green color they have colored. Okay, so you want to find the face value of that number 4 and you want to write the place of that number and place value of that number. Okay, see 4 means what is the face value? Face value means just now I said just value. You want to write that number itself. Face value of 4 is 4. Place means the number 4 is in which place, Kana? So you want to write, see here, ones, tens, 100. So if you're writing ones, tens, 100 above the number, it will be easy for you to write. Okay. So now the number 4 is in which place? Tens. So place means tens alone you want to write. Okay. Place value. So place value means, so 4 is in tens place. So 40. Okay, Kana? So place value means both the place as well as the value of that number. So 4100. See the next example we can write, Kana. 765 they have given. Okay. So you have to write ones, tens, 100 above the number. So they have given the number 6. Okay. They have given the number 6. So what is the face value of 6? Yes, very good. 6 only. Very good, Kana. So what is the face value of 6? 6 only. What is the place of that number? So 6 is in which place, Kana? Tens place. Yes, superb. Tens place. Okay. And place value? Very good. Super. 60. Okay. So 6 is in tens place and you want to write both the tens, both the place and the value of that number. So 60. Okay. See the next one, Kana. 128. Okay. So above the numbers you write the places. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. And for that number, face value of 1 is 1. And 1 is in which place? Yes, very good. 100. Okay. So that place you want to write 100. And place value means? Yes, 100. Okay. So the remaining two sums you have to do by yourself, Kana. Okay. So the remaining two sums you have to do by yourself. Okay. Take your companion book, Kana. Page number 2. See 7B is the home fund for you. Write the face value, place and place value of the digits colored in blue. Okay. So in your companion book they have colored in blue color, Kana. For that number you want to write face value, place and place value. Okay. See the first number 346. Here they have colored the number 6. Okay. You want to write ones, tens, 100 above the number. Okay. So face value for that number 6 you want to write. And place value of that number you want to write separately, Kana. Okay. Like that you have to complete this home fund and upload in the Kensil app, Kana. Okay. Yes. Next we are going to see the activity 7.4. Okay. So represent the following numbers using a spike abacus. Spike abacus and write the expanded form for each number. So using spike abacus and expanded form also already we have learned, Kana. And again we can see here. Okay. See above this the number 459 can be written as, so they have written in expanded form. Okay. See here, Kana, expanded form means, see how you will write expanded form. See the number 459 is there. First you want to write the number 4. After 4, how many digits are there, Kana? Yes, 2 digits are there. So you want to put 2 zeros near 4. Okay, after 4 you have 2 digits. Okay, so after 4 you want to put 2 0. Then you want to put plus. Next you want to write the number 5. Okay, after 5 how many digits are there? Yes, only 1. So you want to put 1 0 near 5. Okay. So near 5 only 1 0 you want to put. Then you want to put plus. and one place number you are having 9, that you want to write as it is. So after 9 you don't have any numbers. Okay, Kana? So that's why you are leaving the number 9 as it is. Okay, so how you will write expanded form? First you want to write the hundreds place number 4. Okay, after 4 how many digits you are having? Here 2 digits. So here you are having 2 digits number. So you want to put 20 after 4. Then you want to put plus. Okay. Then next number 5 you want to take and write in tens place. So 5. After 5 how many digits you are having? Only one digit. So you want to put only 10 near 5. Then put plus. Then in ones place you are having only 9. Write that. After 9 you are having no digits. So you have to leave it as it is, Kana. Okay. So like that in this activity, see, you want to draw the spike abacus and expanded form. So how you will draw the spike abacus? See 502. So you have to write the ones, tens and hundreds place. Okay, so see here they have given in spike abacus ones, tens, 100. Okay, so in ones place, what is the number you have, Kana? 2. Okay, so in ones place you want to draw 2 beads. Okay, and in tens place what is the number you are having? 0. So 0 means you don't want to draw any beads, you leave it. Okay, and in hundreds place what is the number? Yes, 5. So in hundreds place, you have to draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Okay. And now you want to write the expanded form for this number. Now see here, Kana, next number 179 you are having. Okay. And in ones place, what is the number you are having? 9. So in ones place, you want to draw 9 beads. Okay. So you want to draw 9 beads. And in tens place, what is the number you are having? Yes, very good. 7. Okay. So in tens place, you want to draw 7 beads. Okay, Kana. And in hundreds place, what is the number you are having? 1. Yes. So in hundreds place, you want to draw only 1 beads. Okay. And you want to write the expanded form. So how you will write the expanded form? See here for the first one. So I said in hundreds place, what is the number you are having? 5. That you want to take and write. After 5, how many digits are there? So in tens place, you are having 0. In ones place, you are having 2. So 2 zeros you want to add. Plus. So tens place, you are having 0. You put as it is. Plus, and ones place, you are having 2. You write as it is 2. Okay. And see the second sum. Here you are having 1 in hundreds place. Write that 1 here. After 1, how many digits are there, Kana? 2 digits. Yes, very good. So you have to put 2 zeros. Plus, in tens place, you are having 7. So put 7 here. After 7, how many digits are there? Only 1 digit. So you have to add. You have to put 1 0 near 7. Okay. Plus, in ones place, what is the number you are having? 9. Yes, very good. You want to write the number 9 as it is. Okay. Yes, very good, Kanna. So you have to do the sums like this. So the remaining sums you have to complete, Kanna. See in your studio until page number 5 you are having. You have to complete this. Okay. Complete in your studio. Okay, Kanna. Complete this activity. We can see in the next session and complete your home fund also. Okay. Okay, Kanna. See you. Bye. We can see in the next session.